Hi everyone, welcome back to the revision station. Today we're learning the present simple, affirmative. Let's make it simple and fun. We use the present simple for habits, routines, and facts. First we need a subject. Then we add the verb. For most subjects, the verb stays the same. But for he, she, it, we add s or es. When verbs end in ch, sh, s, x, z, or o, add es. The es is pronounced as an extra syllable. Watches, washes, fixes, misses. But not, goes, and, does. Let's see some examples. He plays football. She watches TV. It rains a lot in spring. The verbs have and be are irregular. He has breakfast at 7. They are students. I am hungry. Let's see more examples. You speak English very well. They go to France every year. I catch the bus every day. It's quiz time. Say the answers out loud. Great job! You're awesome! Write your own sentences in the comments. If you liked this lesson, hit subscribe for more. See you next time.